Hi guys, you're welcome back to the Saucy Nation. Everything saucy, everything nice, everything bold, and everything to the whole another level. So it's your girl Minami yet again with another bomb tutorial. Do I need to tell you this tutorial is a bomb tutorial? Like, take a look at my eyes, y'all. Okay, I want to know what you think about this look down below in the comment section. So today we're taking it to a whole nother level. Color is meant for melanin. I want you all to try out bold colors, like get off your shell, like push yourself beyond that limit. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve this look. And I'm sorry for the delay. It's been a week since I lastly posted. That's because I don't have a laptop, so I'm really struggling to get a laptop. I'm saving up to get a laptop. So when I get the laptop, I'll be so consistent in bringing up videos for you. So I hope you all are doing fine. Do well to subscribe down below if you're new. Be well to join the Saucy Nation. Please, please, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So with all that said, let's jump right into this tutorial. Hey loves, hope you all are doing great. So to start, I'll be using my makeup magnesia to apply it all over my face. Today is going to be serving as a face primer. Makeup magnesia is so good for the skin. It has other uses too, but it helps keep your makeup dry throughout the day. So I'll really recommend it for you, or especially those who have oily skins. So after applying my makeup magnesia, I'm going to go ahead with this one of my most popular eyeshadow palettes. I'm going with this orange eyeshadow as a transition color for our look today. Yeah, I know you all are staring at my brows. Okay, so I've my brow game has really changed. I've updated the way I do my brows. So if you want to see how I do my brows, like the updated version, a video on how I do my brows, so that you could help up to your brow game too, just comment down below and drop other suggestions on videos you like to see. So after applying that orange transition color, I'm going to go in with this black eyeshadow just to go over that orange eyeshadow and make it a little bit intense, bold, whatever I want to call it. Yes. And so I kind of, the black eyeshadow was a little bit too much, so I'm going in with the orange eyeshadow which I used earlier on to kind of blend the dark eyeshadow a little bit and make it more soft or settled. After that, using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, sorry guys, I didn't show you where it's LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to cut my crease using my concealing brush. Yeah. So you want to start slowly, take your time so that you do it well when cutting your crease. And you see, from time to time, after applying some concealer right down my eyes, I'm going to try opening my eyes just to see where the concealer is going to touch, maybe or any other part of my eyelids, and that's going to show me the dimension to cut my crease. Yeah, that's it. So don't mind me, this is the craziest thing I've done in ages. using a very big brush to set my concealer. So guys, sorry about this. I started applying the yellow eyeshadow on the other side of my eye, but I forgot I had to record it, so excuse me. Yeah, so today you all know we're going bold to a whole nother level, as I always say. Yes, so colors are made for melanin, so I really want you all to push yourself. Try to do bold eyeshadow looks, nude lips. Just take it like a Minami challenge. Do like for a week, just do some bold colors. Anyway, yeah. And guys, one other news. I don't know what's up with the color yellow, but I think I'm really considering making it one of my favorite colors. Yellow has something it does to brown skin and dark skin. Like, I don't know, I'm really loving yellow, and that's why you're seeing my nails yellow. I'm trying to do yellow eyeshadow, everything. Yeah, yellow, man, that color is something else. Okay, after applying my yellow eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this pinky shade. Yeah, pink shade. Just bringing in the dose of colors. Yeah, so I'm going with this pink shade. And makeup is just like math. I just remember that, like, whatever you do on the left hand side, do it on the right hand side. If you take away something this way, do it on the other side. So if you're applying pink on this side, apply pink on the other side. Like, hey, too much sense. Okay, so I'll continue applying that pink shade, pink eyeshadow. Like, the look is coming together, and I cannot stop staring at my brows. Like, hey, take a look at those brows, man. Okay, after that, I'm going to go in with a smaller, I don't know if I should call it a blending brush. Yeah, a smaller brush, a more pointed brush, and going with that black eyeshadow. Yeah, just watch what I'm doing. Voiceovers are really so hard. Guys, don't forget to comment down below on what you think about this eyeshadow look, what you think about the brows, in fact, what you think about the video, and any other video you like to see. And just a reminder, if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, be cool. Kindly pause the video and go and click on the subscribe button. It's totally free of charge. Free. So do well to join the family. You don't want me to cry, right? Subscribe, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So I'm going back again with that orange eyeshadow which I used previously as a transition color, going back again and using this brown powder just to blend it in. Yeah, so the pink shade wasn't really popping for me, so I had to go back again to kind of make the color pop even more. Don't mind me, I was acting all silly. I was so happy the sun was out, and I was happy with the way the look was coming together. So, and I was listening to music, so I was just dancing. So eyeliner time. Like, look at those brows, man. Like, I don't even want to cry for those brows. I don't want to cry. Yeah, so I went ahead to apply my lashes off camera. As you all know, if you have been watching my videos, you know, like Kiss Beauty, those are my favorite foundations. The one I used to use earlier got finished, so I purchased this other one. And for all those who want to purchase foundations of any kind, Kiss Beauty, Mary Kay, just name it, do well to comment down below or connect with me. Send me a DM on Instagram. I have some foundations and other beauty products for sale, so do well to connect with me. Oof. One other thing, this brush is life. Like, applying foundation with this brush is kind of like giving yourself a massage, then it's blending the foundation to your skin. Like, hey, you need this brush. Like, I'm telling you, you really need this brush. Let nobody lie to you. You need this brush. And if you need this brush, if you really don't need this brush, do well to purchase it from me. Yeah, do well to place a command and purchase the brush from me. Yeah. Oops, I forgot one part of my neck. I'm just noticing it now, but we're going to correct that. Like, look at the way that foundation just blends into my skin. Like, yo, I look like a black American. Like, okay, going in with my pro concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to go ahead to highlight my T-zones. Yeah, you highlight any area you want to pop. So, oh god, I can't stop looking at my brow. So I'm going to go ahead using this, I've forgotten how to call this sponge. Yeah, so I'm going to blend in that concealer with my foundation. Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry about the background and the noise. Yeah, the noise in my background. Like, my junior sisters can disturb for Africa. You tell them stop noise, nobody listens. So I'm so sorry about that. Okay, let's continue watching the video. And guys, I'm so sorry the video is so long, but trust me, it's worth it. I'll try bringing shorter videos subsequently. Yeah, like, ooh, look at my face. The painful part of being a YouTuber is you make up, take pictures, and stay at home. Like, you're going nowhere. Sometimes when people see my pictures, they're like, hey, you're chopping live, you're doing this. Like, hey, but man, I literally do makeup and stay at home. Do makeup and clean it up the next minute. Do makeup just for you. So please don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow our family, and tell me what you want to see next. Yeah, so I'm just setting in my highlighter area with that Melanin translucent powder. Yeah, okay, going in with my classic oil control palette. I'm going to go in with that darkest shade of, yeah, the darkest shade, and I'm going to go over my face because I like, yeah, it's dark though, but I like having that melanin, that settled look, not too. Okay guys, my darkest powder which I use to contour got broken, so I'm really just trying to manage it for now. Yeah, I'll get a new one next time. So Guys, I'm loving this video so much. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Oh, you're seeing it already. Yeah. So I'm going to go in with my Melanin translucent powder again to counter contour. Soon will be my favorite time. Glow, baby, glow. Glow time. Like, if you're new to my channel, you know we don't joke with glow. Like, bronzers are our babies. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to highlight my brow bones and never forget to do that, even in my sleep. Yes. And also let me know what you think about my short braids. I tried doing something different this time, doing in a shorter braid. Can you see that highlight? You see that? Mhm. Yeah. For extra, so we'll go with extra glow, extra everything. Yeah, that for the glow. Yeah. Guys, this look is the bomb. Like, it is the bomb. Look at the girl. Ah, for those of you on Instagram, don't forget to follow me, my Instagram page, minami underscore extra, and tag me on a picture if you try recreating this look. Don't forget. So, going in with some pink lips. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial.